This holiday season, with all the hustle and bustle, it's so important to take a moment for yourself. Today, I'm treating myself to a mini facial, and I'll show you exactly how to do it, step by step. So let's dive in and get started.
We're going to start by cleansing our skin. So here I am using PURÈZ Phytotherapy Cleansing Milk. Now you could obviously use any cleansing milk that you have on hand. There's two methods. I always clean the eyes first. You could add a little bit of cream to the back of your hand and then use your ring finger in an inward and outward motion. So your pressure is on the up and the out, lightly in. So I'm going across the eyelid, up around the eyebrow and down and under. The other method is simply to put the cream directly on the damp cotton wool and then apply that way. Then we can use the same cotton wool to remove the lipstick. Then we're going to get 2 pieces of damp cotton wool and apply some of the cleansing lotion onto the damp cotton wool. And then you just wipe outwards and upwards with pressure. If you go down, it's light. You can go up on your neck, up on the forehead, out on the forehead. This really removes all the makeup if you have any on, or just gives your skin a good cleansing. Pushing up, outside. If you have time, you could do a double cleanse. Now we're going to do the same thing with the toning lotion. So here I am using the Phytotherapy toning lotion from PURÈZ. Balancing, it's good for dry and oily skin, and it also really refreshes the skin. I do this first thing in the morning. And I like to place the pads on my eyes for a couple of seconds first. It just makes your eyes feel so fresh and awake. It smells delicious as well, with the geranium and lavender. And then you wipe the same way as you did with the cleanser, always on the up and out, up on the cheekbones, out, up and out on the forehead, on the jawline, up and out. And now for the treatment oil for the massage. Now here I have the Elixir of Youth, which is a lovely oil blend that's prepared for helping the skin as it's aging. And you could also just use jojoba oil would be nice. And I'm going to apply just the face, and then I like to have a little bit of a smell with it because it's beautiful smell. It's got carrot seed oil in. Now I'm going to start at the forehead, and I'm going to do pressure points up the center of the forehead with an overlap finger. And then you stroke up. Then I'm going to do pressure points along the forehead, starting on the eyebrows, pushing up and out. Do 3 rows on the forehead. the center of the forehead, and then on the top, up and out. Right to the temple. Then I'm going to stroke out those 3 areas that I just pressed. Now we're going to go to the cheekbones. So you start on the side of the nose, just below the eyes, and do pressures up and out with 2 fingers to the temple. Do a row further down. This helps drain the sinuses, helps get rid of bags under the eyes if you do this regularly enough. And then at the base of the cheekbone, push upwards underneath the cheekbone. So we're following the lymphatic system. And then you drain by pushing out, massaging outwards those 3 lines. Then we're going to do pressure points. The first one is just below the lips, in the center of the chin. Very gentle here. The outside of the lips, inside the eye, pushing up under the eyebrow, and lastly on the temples. You can leave the oil on your face, or if you're going out, then you just clean it off with some toning lotion and put a bit of moisturizer on. Have a good day wherever you may be, and it's bye for now.